Hi, I'm Christopher with CK Customs PA. Today, we're going to go through our vinyl storage solutions. So, as many of you have seen, we get a lot of mystery boxes in, a lot of flat vinyl. And the colors in those mystery boxes, not always the same. So we have a very large array of glitters, standard just vinyl, some holographic, some shimmer, some shine. A lot of different brands out there call their vinyls a lot of different things. A lot of it is just absolutely gorgeous. But when you get those in, how do you store it? Now, a lot of people go through the process. Let me just grab one of these real quick. And we start using these flat boxes. They work great when you have small scraps. But once you get this about half full, it's really hard to dig through to figure out what colors you have, what's in there. So for us, we have built one through plans that we found on the internet by an Ikea hack, a storage unit. And the second storage unit that I'll show you here that we just recently added, that we built down in our shop for our vinyl storage. Alright, so this one here on the left is our Ikea storage solution. Each shelf unit is spaced about an inch apart. And then in the very bottom, we have a door. So inside of this door, we store all of our permanent vinyl, so it is separate. We have the door on that one because we have little helpers that come in and help us craft. By that, I mean cats. If you see the cat toy laying there on the floor. Our cats are very attached and like to come in and just chill on the floor and hang out. This one is our newest vinyl storage unit. These shelves are spaced just a little bit further apart to give us a little more spacing. The shelves, as with the Ikea one, slide in and out of the unit so we can pull our vinyl out to see what we have. With this one, we put all of our pattern vinyl, a lot of our whites, blacks, earth tones, golds, silvers, some of our metallics. Our other one starts off with everything under the rainbow. So on top of the Ikea storage unit, we have a little carousel unit that we made. And this one holds all of our short 3 foot to 5 foot rolls on here so we can see what we have. And this is just 3 Ikea grocery bag holders hot glued together and then glued to the Lazy Susan. Along this wall we have this one set up for our 20-inch rolls so we can just drop them in and out, pull them out real quickly. Below that, these are our removable vinyls, and then a couple of adhesive vinyls that didn't fit below. So in this corner we have more of our HTV vinyls, some soft metallics, Walla-Cut brand, Express, some soft, and then behind here we have Galaxy stretchable glitter vinyl, and then on this side it's just another assortment. There's some Cricut brand, some more that we got in a mystery box. And one thing I want to show you is another way that we actually store our bigger rolls of vinyl, our 10 yards, our 25s, but these are just Ikea paper roll holders. They work perfect. This is a 12-inch roll, a couple of 3s that we got in mystery boxes. But that way we can put our bigger rolls on here, just pull the tape off, pull out what we need, cut it off, put it back on there. Quick and easy. I have one set up with a red. You can't see it that it's red because it's white on the backing. but that's a red vinyl, the black, and a blue. I have a second one set up, again with another 10 yards of blue, our gold, and then about 5 yards of gray. And then way up there on the top, that is where I store my larger rolls that are not in use at the moment. Some of those are shorter rolls that are just long widths. Most of those are 12-inch rolls of vinyl in at least 10-yard lengths. Okay, this concludes our vinyl storage solution tour. If you liked it, please subscribe, like the video. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions for better storage for us, please leave a comment below. As always, happy crafting!